What's up, guys? Crazy Yoki here with another opening of some Spider-Man. Spider-Man does whatever a spider can. I hope today has found y'all well. Let's see what we got here today. We got Doc Ock, Sinister Scientist, Taxi Driver, Subway Train, Merciless Enforcers, Web Up, Mob Lookout, Bagel and Schmear, Mask Meower, Spider Girl Legacy Hero, Daily Bugle Building, pretty decent land card, Heroes Hangout, Symbiote Spider-Man, sweet, I'll take that pull. It's not the black suit we're looking for, but I'll take it. Costume Closet Foil, Ominous Asylum Land, and our Treasure and Human Citizen token. Not getting the pulls we want, guys, but I've got keep building me a little bit of Spider-Man for the binder. I'm a huge comic book fan. Most of y'all don't know that. It's been a while since I've done a comic review or anything like that, but there's Hulk. You can see Venom, Red Hulk. I need to get these back out and do some stuff with them, but also another reminder, giveaway 3 days, guys. I'm updating the list daily of the subscribers I could see. I seen we recently had yesterday, I believe, three new subscribers, I think. Yeah, 3. So we have 3 new subscribers yesterday. I'll get y'all down on the list to be entered in the giveaway in 3 days. Might be a pop-up here in the next day or two before the giveaway, the main giveaway, or the giveaway. It's not even the main giveaway, guys. Making me crazy. But remember, if you're new here, go subscribe, like, hit that bell for all notifications. Share the video. Most importantly, like, guys. Give this video a thumbs up. Notice the majority of the views are not liking the videos. But yeah. So please go like the video. Gives the algorithm a notice. Puts it out more in front of more people. We're trying to build, guys. We're at 74 subscribers. So we ain't even done the 50 subscriber giveaway, and we're almost to pushing 100. Thanks to all y'all. Very much appreciated, and yeah, very much appreciated. I'll show my gratitude. Until next time, y'all. Check y'all later.